there they are, the Toco toucans. Now, Toco toucans are the largest in the toucan family. They're easily recognizable by the bright orange beak. You can spot them from far. Off they go. Now, despite having a large beak, toucans remain agile and maneuverable when in flight. In fact, in the wild, they have been seen catching insects in mid-flight without even stopping. Now, my friend Goody, who's making his way to the middle over there, is going to be tossing a piece of fruit for the toucans. One fruit each. Let's see if they can catch it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up it goes. Whoa! Mr. Horn gets it. Now, one more toss for Mrs. Horn. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up it goes. Oh, what a miss. Now remember, I know the toucans are right here, very close to you, but try not to touch the toucans. Again, don't touch the toucans. Alright, Woody, are we going to do it one more time? Alright, we're going to do it one more time, okay? Stay clear of the toucans. In their eyes, we're like giant. Hey, Mr. Horn, you already got more. Alright, we're going to try it one more time, but this time,